एसक्यूएल के सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। लगभग इस क्वेश्चन जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो आपको चार पांच क्वेश्चन में से एक क्वेश्चन तो आपको दी के ही जाएगा। तो पहला क्वेश्चन हम पढ़ते हैं, व्हाट इज टीडीएल एंड डीएमएल एंड व्हाट इज डिफरेंस। दिस इज द डीडीएल मीन्स that is data definition language, and DML means that is data manipulation language. These two are very important factors to know. It is defined as data definition language and data manipulation language. When we say DDL, it becomes the command where you try to change the structure of the data. We have to we need to create a change to structure of the data. Example: create table, drop table, alter table, truncate table. So what exactly in these commands you are changing the structure? That structural change is called DDL commands. Now coming to the DML, we try to insert the command like like command records. We try to delete the records, we try to update the records. So we are playing with the data and not the structure. In this case it is called as data manipulation language. And once major difference you need to tell in DML commands can be a rollback, whereas DDL commands cannot be rolled back. So that is the two difference between DDL and DML commands. What is the difference between truncate versus delete versus drop? So you know that truncate is the command within the DDL command which clean the complete table, which are not going to delete either one by one. The complete table will be cleaned, it's a DDL command. And in truncate columns, which you have already created, that will never change, only complete the table, which will get clean. But since it is a DDL command, you cannot be rolled back. uh, Coming to the delete, now delete is a DML command. Now what happens by using where condition, you can select which are rows delete and which are rows to excluded. And delete is a DML and can be rolled back. And now coming to the drop, the entire table along with the structure is dropped, you cannot get it back because it is also a DDL. Once you drop it, it's gone. And in fact, if you drop it, the table structure is also gone. That was not in the case of truncate. Moving to the next question, what is group by used? Like when we use group by is used to get the records aggregated at feature level. Give an example, let's say we have, or we want to find out total sales made by each or every country in India, Australia, UK, and want to aggregated value. We usually go with a group by condition, go by query, like that we use. Like next question is difference between where clause and having clause. You know that from the table based specific condition we use where clause. From the group by based condition, that time we use this having clause. This clause is used with a single row function. And having clause we used with a multiple row function. It cannot be used with aggregate function like sum, average, min, max, etc. It can be used with aggregate functions like sum, average, min, max. And where clause we can use with select, update, and delete statement. But having clause we used with select statement as well as group by. Before yeah We use where clause before group by clause, and we use having clause after group by clause. Where clause is faster than having clause, and having clause is slower than the where clause. Move to the next question. What are joins in SQL? Types of joins in SQL. A definition is join are used to retrieve the data from multiple tables. Joins is performed whenever two or more tables are joined in the SQL statement. Types of join in SQL: inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, cross join, self join. That is the different types of joins present. Firstly, we will see inner join. Inner join returns only the matching rows from both the tables. This is used when common data from both the tables. Example, imagine you have an employee table and department table. There is a two tables present. If you want to find employees who are assigned to a department, that time we use inner join concept here. Show me
Example, show me employees and their department names, but only if the employee has a department assigned. That time we use inner join concept. In both the tables having one matching record, it will be mandatory for that. That's time we perform this inner join. Next is a left join or left outer join. Returns all the rows from the left table and matching rows from the right table. Unmatched rows from the right table returns null values. So if you want to list all the employees, even those who don't belong to any department, use left join. Example is list all the employees along with their department names. If an employee don't does not have a department, show null, means all the rows sorry, all from left table and matching from right table, means left table all the columns will be came into the output and matching record from the right table. It's not right in the right table, so it will be came into the output null. So third is a right join, right outer join. Returns all the rows from the right table and matching rows from the left table. Unmatched rows from left table returns null. If you want to list all the employees, even those without employees, use right join. Example is list all the departments and their employees. If a department has no employees, show null for the employee details. That is the example of right join. And full outer join means like returns all the rows when there is a match in either table. Unmatched rows from both the tables returns null. That time we use full outer join. And cross join returns the Cartesian product of both the tables. Every row in first table matched with every row in the second table. That time this cross join will come in concept be used. And cross join is also called as Cartesian product. So next is a self join. Joins a table with itself, treating it as two different tables. That time we use self join. So we are see here today five SQL interview questions. So just prepare like that only, and try to give the answer when I return here. So previously I posted a lot of videos regarding Power BI and SQL interview questions. So please go through it and watch. If anyone have don't have subscribed yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you.